Now last question. If two circles intersect at 2 points, prove that their centers lie on the perpendicular bisector of the common chord. See the figure. Two circles. Two circles intersect at 2 points A and B. So if we join A and B, we can see that this AB is the common chord to both circles. AB is a chord of circle, first circle, and AB is also chord of another circle, I mean second circle. So our question is, prove that the centers of the circles, that is O and O dash, lie on the perpendicular bisector of the common chord. So AB is the common chord. O dash is the perpendicular bisector. So in this line, we need to prove centers are lines. Okay, line O and O dash. So we need to prove this AB is the perpendicular bisector of O dash. That is, we need to prove this angle is equal to 90 degree and also AM is equal to BM. Okay. Perpendicular bisector means we need to prove this angle is 90 degree and AM is equal to BM. Okay, for this we have to consider two triangles, and by congruency rule we are going to prove both the triangles are congruent to each other. So let us take AOO dash BOO dash triangle. Okay, listen. AOO dash and BOO dash. Take these two triangles and prove these two triangles are congruent to each other. Now look at the figure. OA and OB. OA and OB are equal because both are radius of the first circle, isn't it? OA and OB are radii of the first circle and therefore they are equal. Now O dash A and O dash B. What are they? O dash A and O dash B are radii of the second circle and therefore they are equal. Now OO dash. OO dash is the common side to both the triangles. So OO dash is equal to OO dash, which is a common side. So we have three sides, isn't it? Three sides are equal to three sides of another triangle. Therefore, by SSS congruence rule, triangle AOO dash is congruent to triangle BOO dash. Is clear? Two radii and common side. Now, in this congruent triangle, apply CPCT rule. By CPCT rule, listen, angle AOO dash and angle BOO dash. Look at the figure. AOO dash, this angle, and BOO dash, these two angles are equal. Okay? Okay. Now, listen, another two triangles. Suppose this point is M. Now consider the triangle AMO and BMO and then prove these two triangles are congruent to each other. So in AMO triangle, OA side is equal to OB side. Okay, OA is equal to OB. What is the reason? Yes, radii. Now OM is common side, isn't it? OM is equal to OM. Now in this triangle AOM, angle AOM is equal to, listen, angle BOM, isn't it? Yes. Listen, AOO dash is same as AOM. BOO dash is same as BOO dash. So we already proved these two angles are equal. So in this triangle AOM, okay, and in this triangle BOM are two angles. and therefore these two angles are equal. So we have two sides and included angle. Is clear? Two sides and included angle. Therefore by SAS congruence rule we can say that triangle AMO is congruent to triangle BMO. Now apply CP/CT rule. By applying CP/CT rule, we can see that AM and BM are equal. AM is equal to BM. So first one we proved bisector. AM is equal to BM. Now prove these two angles are 90 degree. So from the same congruent triangles, what is the angle AOM? Sorry, AMO. Okay, AMO is equal to here angle BMO. Now look at the figure AMO and BMO. These two angles are linear pairs and therefore their sum equal to 180 degree. Angle AMO plus angle BMO is equal to 180 degree. Now replace AMO as BMO. So angle AMO plus angle AMO is equal to 180 degree. That is 2 into angle AMO is equal to 180 degree, or angle AMO is equal to 180 by 2. 180 by 2 is 90. So this angle is 90 means BMO angle is also 90. That means it is perpendicular. So AB is the perpendicular, or OO dash is the perpendicular bisector of this chord. Is clear? So that's our question number 3. So that's about exercise 10.3. So listen, this question is very important. Write and study. In this question we took two separate triangles. One is AOO dash, BOO dash, and proved these two triangles are congruent by SSS congruence rule. Then we considered AMO or AOM triangle and BOM triangle, and then proved these two triangles are congruent by SAS. Okay. To get these two equal angles, first we took AOO dash triangle and BOO dash triangle. The same concept will apply in another question belongs to exercise 10.4. So, you have to write and study this question. Okay. Now listen, exercise 10.4, question number 5. 3 girls, Reshma, Salma and Mandeep, are playing a game by standing on a circle of radius 5 meter drawn in a park. Reshma throws a ball to Salma, Salma to Mandeep, Mandeep to Reshma. If the distance between Reshma and Salma and between Salma and Mandeep is 6 meter. So question is, what is the distance between Reshma and Mandeep? Listen, there is a circular path of radius 5. Radius 5 and 3 girls, Reshma, Salma and Mandeep, are playing a game by standing on a circle of radius 5. Okay. Reshma throws a ball to Salma, Salma to Mandeep, Mandeep to Reshma. Alternatively, they are passing a ball to each other. Now listen, in the question it is given that distance between Reshma and Salma and Mandeep. Okay. So distance between, it is S stands for Salma, R stands for Reshma, M stands for Mandeep. So distance between Reshma and Salma is 6. Distance between Salma and Mandeep is 6. Our question is, what is the distance between Reshma and Mandeep? RM we need to find. So let us consider O is the center. Now in this figure, draw a perpendicular, suppose OP. Okay, OP is perpendicular to RS. What is RS length? RS is 6. So OP is a perpendicular to this RS. Actually RS and SM are chords of the circle, isn't it? So any perpendicular line from the center to the chord bisects the chord, and therefore these distances are equal to 3. Now this is 90 degree, therefore this is a right angle triangle. So by Pythagoras theorem, we are going to find OP side. So OP square is equal to hypotenuse square minus base square. That is 5 square minus 3 square. 5 square is 25, 3 square is 9, 16. OP square is 16. So what is OP? OP is equal to 4. Okay. Now find the area of the triangle ORS. Area of triangle ORS using the formula half into base into height. It is half into, let us take the base as RS, and height is the perpendicular distance to the base, that is OP. So half into RS is 6, OP is 4. So it is 2 and 4 can be cancelled. 6 into 2, 12 meters square. Now find area of the same triangle ORS. Listen, here we can consider the base as OS. Okay, base as OS, and see, suppose it is X. RX is what? Perpendicular to the base. So consider base as OS and perpendicular distance as RX. Okay. Now look at the figure. What is OS? OS is radius, and therefore radius is 5. So half into 5 into RX. Length of RX we don't know. So write it as RX itself. Now area of ORS we have 12. So just equate this equal to 12. So 1 by 2 into 5 is 5 by 2. 5 by 2 Rx is 12. So Rx equal to 12 into 2 by 5. 12 into 2, 24. 24 by 5. 24 by 5 is 4.8. So Rx is equal to 4.8. This length is 4.8. So what is XM? XM is also 4.8 because OX is a perpendicular line to the chord. RM is a chord, isn't it? So this is 4.8 plus 4.8. So total 4.8 plus 4.8 is equal to 9.6 meter is the distance between Reshma and Mandeep. Okay. Now question number 6. A circular path of radius 20 meter is situated in a colony. 3 boys, Angur, Syed and David are sitting at equal distance on its boundary, each having a toy telephone in his hands to talk each other. Find the length of the string of each phone. Listen, a circular path of radius 20 meter. Suppose O is center, radius is 20 meter. 3 boys, Angur, Syed and David are sitting at equal distance on its boundary, each having a toy telephone in his hands to talk each other. So our question is to find the length of the string. So length of the string means we need to find AS or SD or AD because these three lengths are equal. So for this, let's join OD and OA. So the total triangle ASD is divided into 3 triangles, and the method is that we are going to find area of one of the triangle and adding these 3 is equal to total area. That is the method. So first we are going to find area of this triangle. For this, draw a perpendicular line. Suppose OL, SD is the chord. And let us consider AS distance equal to 2A. SD is 2A, AD is 2A because these 3 lengths are equal. It's given in the question. So OL is perpendicular distance to this chord SD means this line divides the chords into 2 equal parts. So SL length is A, LD length is A. Now listen, OSL, this is a right angle triangle. So apply Pythagoras theorem. Are going to find to obtain OL distance. Okay. So by Pythagoras theorem, let's see. OL square, altitude square is equal to hypotenuse square minus base square. That is 400 minus A square. So what is OL? OL is equal to root of 400 minus A square. Listen, it is not equal to 20 minus A. Okay, it is not equal to 20 minus A. So OL distance is root of 400 minus A square. Now find area of the triangle OSD using the result half BH. So half into what is base? Base is SD. And H is the perpendicular distance, that is root of 400 minus A square. Now what is base? Base is 2A. So half into 2A into root of 400 minus A square. So here 2 cancel. A into root of 400 minus A square. So area of this triangle is A into root of 400 minus A square. Similarly, we can find the area of this triangle is also A into root of 400 minus A square. Similarly, this triangle's area is A into root of 400 minus A square. Okay. Now, AS, SD, AD. These three sides are equal means ASD is a equilateral triangle. So, what is area of ASD? Can you say? Area of triangle ASD, that is area of an equilateral triangle. It is root 3 by 4 side square. Okay. It is root 3 by 4. What is side? 2A. So 2A square. That is root 3 by 4. 4A square. Cancelling. It is root 3A square. So total triangle's area is equal to root 3A square. So listen. Area of the total triangle ASD is area of OSD plus area of OAD plus area of OAS. Okay, sum of these three triangles. And each triangle having area A into root of 400 minus A square. So area of these three triangles is 3 into A into root of 400 minus A square. Now what is area of ASD? Area of ASD is root 3A square. So this is equal to 3A into root of 400 minus A square. To remove this root, squaring on both sides. So this is 3. A square is A raised to 4. 3 square is 9. A square is A square. Root of 400 minus A square is 400 minus A square. Now we can cancel here 3 and 9 3 times. A raised to 4 and A square. It is A square. So A square equal to 3 into 400 minus A square. Now open the bracket. 1200 minus 3A square. Take this 3A square to here. So it is 4A square. 4A square equal to 1200. Therefore A square equal to 1200 by 4. That is 300. So what is A? It is root of 300. And 300 can be written as 3 into 100. Root of 100 is 10. So 10 root 3. A is equal to 10 root 3. So what is 2A? 2 into 10 root 3. That is 20 root 3. So 2A means SD or AS or AD is 20 root 3. That is length of the string is equal to 20 root 3 meter. Okay. So listen. We consider these three triangles and find its area separately. Separately means if we know area of one triangle, it is same as the other two. Okay. So area of this triangle we obtained as root of 400 minus a square into a. So areas of these three triangles are same. Now find area of the total triangle ASD by using root 3 by 4 side square, because ASD is an equilateral triangle. So the total triangle's area is equal to area of this triangle plus area of this triangle plus area of this triangle. That is 3 into area of a triangle, and on simplification we can see that 2a is equal to 20 root 3. Okay. See, in exercise 10.4 we need to discuss 4 more questions. All the questions are given in your notes. Take your own time and complete the note book works, and I will send the same notes tomorrow also. Okay. Thank you all.